you think of the Seper Bloom in Southern California, I often think of the California golden poppies, but there are other flowers, many other flowers that you might see along the way or interspersed with the poppies, and some of them are worth note. The first ones here, the California goldfields, they are beautiful, and when they're interspersed with the poppies, provide quite a contrast from the orange and the yellow. It's very pretty. Desert dandelions can be found not so much in this area, but on the way to the fields. And Alps clover is definitely part of the mix in these poppy fields. If you're lucky, you get to see some blue phacelia. And there's definitely going to be some yellow fiddlenecks mixed in there somewhere. But you're really here for the poppies, and here they are. This is the early April Seper Bloom here in the Antelope Valley poppy fields. There's no added highlights to this footage. This is just all natural, and that's how bright the flowers are when you see it at these levels and from these perspectives. It's quite striking. They're not all flat fields. There are some hills in the area as well, and the hills provide a different kind of perspective on how the flowers present themselves. And again, interspersed with these poppies primarily are the gold fields. They're very, very striking in the contrast. It really makes them, both flowers, stand out quite honestly. Now the area is quite expansive. In fact, the Apple Valley Poppy Preserves within those yellow lines here, marked by those two roads. The rest of this area is not part of the preserve, so there's quite a few observation points and areas outside of the preserve if you want to take a look at those areas as well. A lot of this land has been previously cultivated or mowed, and you can see some of the lines in the fields here, but that doesn't seem to bother the poppies whatsoever. They just keep on growing. And if you don't have a drone and you can't do that, you can have one of your passengers stick their phone outside the window and just drive along on one of the little dirt roads and take a little video yourself of the flowers passing by. It's hard to imagine until you get there how expansive these fields really are and how bright the colors truly are. It's really something to see, and if you live in Southern California or visiting the area, it's something you really want to try to get a look at, that's for sure. Well, I hope you enjoyed this spring's Seper Bloom in the Antelope Valley, and as always, thanks for watching.